Hello friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another crock-pot meal. Today is going to be shepherd's pie. What we're needing to do is 2 pounds of ground beef with 1 onion. And then what we're going to do is chop that all up. Cook it and then drain it. This is your 2 pounds of ground beef, cooked and drained. Alrighty. And just spread that out in there. Okay, we're going to throw in 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 package of brown gravy. Don't forget that pepper. Da, 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 da. Yep, good enough. Okay, then what we're going to do is, listen, and this is with any recipe, even this one. When you see a recipe and somebody is making it, make it your own, okay? Normally a recipe like this would be like, oh, 1 can of cream of mushroom. Well, we're doing 2 because I like mine very creamy. All right, and then from there, we're going to mix this up. I don't know why. I don't know why. I grab this. Don't do this. Like a spoon kind of works so much better. Oh, geez. So much better, guys. This is just easy. Okay, and now, friends, from here where we're going to go is mixed vegetables. Just throw that right on in there. All right, then make mashed potatoes. Make instant mashed potatoes, whether you want to make real mashed potatoes, make it your own, but make mashed potatoes. And pour your mashed potatoes over the top. I don't know, I just had this crazy idea. What if people put rice in it? Okay, but we're not doing that. We're going to put the mashed potatoes. Sometimes I come up with crazy ideas. Yeah, and just spread that out. Okay, and then with that, honestly, it is not shepherd's pie until you throw the cheese on top. Okay, and just spread that out. This is yumminess. Yummy, yummy. What am I doing? Let's just pour it all in there because I love cheese. Do you love cheese? By the way, what is your favorite cheese? Put it in the comments below. I'd like to hear that. Okay, now get your lid on that baby, turn it on high, and cook it for 2 to 3 hours on high. And this is what we got. I'm just gonna try to move this camera closer. Okay, yeah. Can you see it bubbling? And look at that cheese. I'm just gonna dig in. Okie dokie. Cheesy. I like the flavor that comes off of the when you put 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup in there. I did make my potatoes a little bit thin. I need to thicken them up next time. I used instant. You could use real potatoes if you need to. And the hamburger had a really good flavor because of the garlic and the brown gravy. I really liked that. That is good. Tastes really delicious. Thank you, friends. Please give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And keep on cooking. Love you, friends.